Language and literacy are the foundation of learning, and at MECK Pre-K, we create a language-rich environment where children thrive. Hi, I'm Mary Margaret Cantor, Chief Early Education Officer at Smart Start. Our highly qualified teachers guide students in interactive reading sessions, where children explore books in groups and one-on-one, building comprehension and vocabulary. Phonemic awareness activities, such as rhyming games and clapping syllables to strengthen early reading skills. Visual language supports, including name tags, word walls, and classroom labels to help children connect words with meanings. Storytelling and conversation, encouraging children to express their thoughts and expand their communication skills. Parents are also key partners in literacy. Our goal is for families to read 100 books together over the school year. MECK Pre-K is a high-quality pre-kindergarten program available to 4-year-old children in Mecklenburg County at no cost to families. Apply today at meckprek.org.